how to fix ShadowPlay desktop capture not working on Windows. So if you want to fix ShadowPlay desktop capture not working on your Windows, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Sometimes ShadowPlay stops recording the desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And this can be frustrating. When you want to capture gameplay or record your screen, this issue often happens because of disabled graphics settings or outdated drivers. But you can fix it by making a few changes. First, you need to click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen, then click on the settings to open up the Windows settings panel. Here, go with System, which is on the left side, and then go with Display, which is on the top. This is where you can control screen brightnesses, resolution, and other graphics features. Now, click on the graphics once you find it, which is right here on the bottom. After that, click on Advanced Graphics Settings. Here, you can check if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. If it's off, make sure to enable it because this option allows your graphics card to perform better and helps ShadowPlay run smoothly. Next, you need to go back to your desktop. In the search bar at the bottom or at the top, type Nvidia and click on the Nvidia app to open it. Wait for a few seconds. After opening your Nvidia, on the left side, you will have the drivers panel. You need to click on it and then click on the update button, which will be on the top right corner. If an update is available, download and install it. Updating your graphics driver is very important because outdated drivers are one of the main reasons ShadowPlay doesn't capture properly. Now restart your computer so the changes and updates can take effect. After these steps, ShadowPlay should start capturing your desktop again. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.